My name is Muhammad Nisar. I am a clinical embryologist working for past 17 years. I worked in Saudi Arabia, and for past 13 years I have been working in Kuwait. I joined Kamineni, a prestigious corporate hospital for as a embryology work. I took over as a in charge of embryology lab. I have been trained in Bonn Hall and Germany, and PGD training in Denmark. So my exposure in Middle East is very complicated cases for ICSI and PGD. I have a regular basis. I was doing PGD cases. In my experience in Middle East, I have trained in a azoospermic patient where there is a no sperm, and we can go for a testicular biopsy. We can retrieve sperm from a husband. If there is a obstructive non-obstructive spermia, we can retrieve the sperms, and same sperm can be used for ICSI, and followed by embryos. That embryos can be transferred to the uterine cavity of mother, then followed we can have a healthy babies. This is the development achieved by vast scientists of around the world. And as an embryologist, we have a facility for PGD where we do embryo biopsy by zona hatching through laser hatching. Then followed by we will extract one blastomer, and that blastomer can be screened by FISH technique, which is available, and there is no error in this for congenital anomalies. We can detect by this technique. We can detect is there abnormalities in the embryo, followed by the healthy embryos can be transferred to the mother's womb, so that they can have a detection in early stage to to detect in the transferring before transferring the embryos. As a Kamineni Fertility Center, we have a full fledged ART labs where we have a world-class embryology lab, then embryo andrology lab, embryo freezing, and PGD lab. We have got world-class equipment which is L126MP. It is first time in the state, fully integrated system with integrated microscope, high resolution microscope with micromanipulator, inbuilt laser machine in the laminar workstation, where it will be very easy to work on this workstation because it is a state of art. It is very user friendly, and it saves the time, and it maintains temperature, pH, timing, everything to increase your the more faster you do the work, the more good embryos will yield from your work. So we have all the facility in one roof, and we are doing the job honestly in a transparent manner. Thank you.